Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see what you'll be expecting on gold. If you have to zoom it out, gold trend is literally on an uptrend move, right? We are on a bullish move, but if you take a look at something right here, here is kind of like a major week here. It was due to the news that was released today. One of the reasons why you should avoid trading the news, except you can trade it properly. But anyway, market has eventually dropped, so we should be expecting a rejection from this level here. Reaction probably. Then let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So from this reaction, you should expect market to actually push up to a level of 3683. So this should be our target. 3683, which should actually give us that bullish move to contact this level. Now there's every possibility that markets will continue to drop. Absolutely yes, there's possibility that markets will continue to drop, especially if you go down to your 4 hour time frame. You can see first low, lower high here. It could be that low, lower high. This is very much likely to continue to give us that full new lower low. If it gives us that full new lower low, then that means our gold is now on a downtrend. If it does not do that, we will still expect it to actually push on. So if there's going to be any changes, I'll give you guys an update. So just stay updated and subscribe, you'll get it.